that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Hey, Lazy Girl Approved fam, I'm back today with part 2 of Outre Trixie. So let's get to it. I did 3 on the other video, and now I have 3 more colors. This one is, what did I say? Midnight Blaze. It's the orange. So let's get her out and see what she looks like. All right, here's the card. And thank you guys to all of you that support me, that watch every video, the ones that have made purchases, the ones that do reviews, the ones that comment, all of you guys. Like, all your support means so much to me. And I've had a couple of you send me messages that just legitimately made my day, because I put a lot of effort into this, into the business, you know, making sure that my site, lazygirlapproved.com, I make updates to it every day. And then as far as the other stuff, I always want to make sure that you guys get your stuff fast and secure and that you're happy with it. So 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. And if you haven't watched the first one, and you want to, I'll pop that up here. I'll also put a link to it in the description so that you can go check it out. That was the rainbow, the one I just had on, and then the green aurora. So now we're going to do Blaze, a purple lavendery one, and a creme brulee. Wow, she's pretty. What did oh yeah, the card showed it this way. I don't know why I was expecting it to be just orange, so I like that it's yellow and orange. It's nice. Okay, so the other ones were big head friendly. I'm going to assume, I always check every color because sometimes they're different. Yeah, so this one is also big head friendly. And like I've said in the other ones, but if you haven't watched it, I'll say it again. If you're not familiar with bang units, you can either do like I do, which is pull this back so that the bangs sit where I want them to, or you can cut them. Just pull it down and cut them. There's a way to cut it if there's videos on it. Basically, I do this and cut it. Or you can just pull the bangs to the side like that, so that they're not in your eyes, but it's not, you get more of an egg head shape if you have a smaller head and you pull it back. So the further down you can go, the less egg head there is. But when they're big head friendly and you have a small head, it's just going to be kind of egg head anyways when they're, especially bang unit, full cap bang units. So there's that. So she is big head friendly. If you didn't see the other ones, the texture, it's textured soft, borderline silky. It's like almost silky, but you can still see and feel the texture. So that's the difference. But it's stupid soft. It's not tangly at all. But you probably do want to bring like a comb or brush, just because straight units tend to get a little wonky after a little while, or if they blow in the wind. At least for me, I'm constantly like, just get it back straight. Just get it back. So there's that, but it doesn't need anything. Like, it doesn't need product. It really didn't even need like a brush through just to get it, you know, get everything back in place basically. They're super pretty. They're $27.95. So wig types, Sam's Beauty, So Good BB, Hair Stop and Shop, probably Ebony line, but I haven't looked because I try to avoid them. I do have a couple colors, not this color though, on my site. So if you want this color, go to one of those other sites and find her. My number one besides my site is Wig Types. That's the one that I recommend. So go check there. Let's do a spinny spin and then we will go to the next color. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up. Where I'm going, stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. right, now we have TD Smoky Lavender, which I do have available on my site, lazygirlapproved.com. And we'll see if it is a 613 or a what. It looks like 613. It's definitely not yellow. It's more white. And it is called Smoky Lavender. So she's cute. I don't usually like light colored tops, you know, roots and whatnot, but she looked really cute. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, elastic adjusters. Let's get her on my head. And I am going to be giving one of these away, so stand by for how to enter to win. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh man, she's cute. This is an exception to my not liking lighter tops. Let me fix my camera. Keep trying to adjust it so that y'all can see the whole wig and not too much other stuff, you know, be able to see it all the way, basically. That's so cute. Again, I don't usually like blondes. And it's funny because everybody's like, you look so good in it. I think it's just specific shades that, and you never know. Like, one person's 613 will look totally freaking different than another brand. So it's like, okay, guys, what's what here? I like this. I am liking it. And it basically, I feel like they've done, for some reason, somehow, they're doing these better. They don't look as janky, I feel like, as they usually do. Janky. That is the technical term, y'all. Okay, let's confirm they're big head friendly. Yep. Okay, she is also big head friendly. And I call all wigs she's. I just do. So, there's that. If they didn't already have a name, I would name them. I name my own other stuff. I just like look at the vibe or whatever. Okay. Or what vibe it gives me. I think she's super cute. All right. She's super cute. And she's a little bit softer than the others. Still not all the way silky though. Let's do a spinny spin. Spinny, spinny, spin. And then we have one more color, which is Creme Brulee.
That sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life.
Okay, that was the 360. Let's move on to TD Creme Brulee. Okay, here is Creme Brulee. You guys, I think this is actually my favorite one so far, which doesn't usually happen. Blonde unit. This is Creme Brulee. She's reminds me of like the Bobbi Boss Jamie that I have in these colors. So it's a similar, and Bobbi Boss did it in a couple styles, but I have Jamie in this color combo. 2 combs in the front. I'm like, what am I saying? 1 in the back. It's clearly time to eat. Elastic adjusters, of course. You have to watch till after this to find out how to win one of these wigs. I'm pretty sure that YouTube like shadow banned me. I think that's a thing because it just like my notifications aren't coming up for people. Like I'm subscribed to myself on a different what do you call it, account, because to see like what for this purpose, to make sure notifications are going out and whatnot, and I didn't get any notifications for my last two. Y'all let me know if you got notifications for this and my other ones. I was like super bummed that they're just, I don't know, it was just weird. And I know I did them at a weird time and weird day, but still. Okay, there she is. Again, also super cute. These aren't my favorite colors, but it's super cute. I like it. You know, it's just a throw on and go. Little lovely lady. Little lovely lady. So there's that. Big head friendly. Let's make sure she's also big head friendly. Yes, big head friendly. The bangs when it's hot is just not, it's not it. Not it. Okay. So she's like the other ones, textured, soft, almost silky, but not quite silky. She is 12 inches. She is super lightweight. I mean, there is some, it's not, how do I say it? It's light to medium. So if you look, it's actually decently thick, but like in the back. So this is, you know, because it's all bunched up front, it's thicker. But if you spread it out, it's on the thinner side. So that's why I say light to medium density. Because in the back it is light. And then you have a lighter cap, so it just makes it a little more difficult for the wig cap underneath to not show through. So there's that. Let's do a 360 and then we will do final thoughts on these, all these lovely ladies, and tell you how to win one of these for free.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time.
Okay, that was the 360. I just realized I didn't say anything about shedding because I had not checked. So this one is shedding a pretty good bit. I mean, it's not a lot, but there's like 6 of those hairs and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I don't see any from the other ones. And actually this might be from the last one too. So the lighter ones with the, we'll call it platinum / 613, those are shedding, which I find with most of this color wig. It's like same thing with our regular hair. When we bleach it, it's like it's more prone to falling out and breaking. So it's weird because this is not real hair, but that's how it works. Okay, so for what and how to win one of these wigs, I'm gonna let you guys pick any of the 6 colors that I showed you guys. It's totally up to you which one you want. Doesn't matter to me either way. So if you win, just let me know which color that you want and I will send that to you. So in order to win, what you need to do is go sign up on my website for my like newsletter, you know, where I send out emails about sales and whatnot. Go sign up there. I promise I don't spam you. I probably send out one a month maybe. I may start doing it a little bit more, but it's never going to be like every day where I'm just bombing your inbox. So there's that. Also make sure that you are subscribed to me here, as well as following me on either Instagram or Facebook. And then once you do all that, come back to the comments and say done, and then whichever color wig that you want to win. So she's so cute. And if you want the Wild Rainbow to purchase, Wild Rainbow Creme Brulee, or the last one, which was the Smoky Lavender, I do have those on my website, lazygirlapproved.com. They are currently the cheapest that there is out there by just a little bit, but still, there are some sites where it's like 30 something, so mine is $27.95. So there's that. And I do send out little goodies with every order, and there are some coupons floating around there in my other videos. So So if you haven't watched my candy video, there's a coupon in there for some money off. So go check that out. Final thoughts. She is textured soft, almost silky, but not quite. She's big head friendly. She's super light, not tangly, doesn't need product, just needs like a quick comb through, if that. Would recommend bringing your brush with you though, because just with straight wigs, they get like silly after a little while. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. What else? She's 12 inches long. She's just a really great throw on and go. She's definitely Lazy Girl approved, so there's that. I will put a link in the description to where you can buy her on my site. And as always, thanks for hanging out and spending time with me. Thank you guys all so much for your support. Seriously, it means so much to me. See if my hands will do it. I appreciate you guys so much. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments. I think it's the smoky lavender for me at this point. For now. For now. So thanks again. I will see you guys again soon. Have a great weekend.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sip